channel. I have two things to talk about today. I wanted to update you on my pot. So this pot, I made it on Saturday and just wanted to show you how it's drying. So as it starts to dry, you'll see that it will get whiter and whiter and whiter. It will get really white, like if you had painted it. That's how you know it's super dry. So it'll get whiter and whiter. And I don't have to wait till that happens to paint it, but I don't know if I'll get to it until later. I do want to tell you guys I have an idea for another pot, a different way of doing it that I think might be easier for you guys, so I might work on that either today or sometime during this week. But I went to Walmart to go do some food shopping, and of course I said, well, let me check their garden center, and I asked the nice lady there, hey, by any chance do you have any clearance? She goes, yeah, we have a bunch of clearance. So I want to show you these that they went on clearance. So nothing, if I look at this from the top, I don't see anything wrong with this plant. I paid $1.48 for it. The pot alone to me is worth it. And I'm gonna take all these plants out of the pot and let them air dry inside the house for a day. Just, you know, letting their roots dry if they have any roots, and then planting them back into dry soil and not watering them for a while because they've been overwatered. So I need to take that apart and see, make sure there's nothing wrong with that one. So this is like a 2-in-1 pot. Look, the plant already fell off. So I already knew that this didn't have any roots, but I'm very hopeful that I can get it to root. I can't tell if you guys can see really well because my screen is a little dark. Anyways, so yeah, I'm gonna peel these leaves back and let her dry off for the day, and then tomorrow I'll put her in dry soil and leave her alone and see if she roots. I'm pretty sure she'll root. She'll probably take like a month to root, I'm not sure. But I got two for the price of one because they put this in there and they gave it to me. So I got this little itty bitty pot, which is so cute. And it has a magnet. So, ta-da! How cute is that? That is so stinking cute. So I really like those. That is so worth it. So I got that. And then this pot here, which I like too. I don't know if I'll keep these inside and make drainage. I mean, I probably will. I'll have to because I'll be too paranoid. I got this empty one. This one was empty for $1.50. It's really cute. So, and guys, if you see a bunch of empty pots like this at Walmart, if you get a manager and ask them and say, hey, I'm interested in buying your pots, obviously not for the price of when the plant was in there, way cheaper, like $1, $1.50, you can ask and see what they say. Because last time I asked, they said yes. This one, I have this one inside. Obviously, in my greenhouse, she looks way better than this one. Yep, she needs to be pulled out and let her dry out for a little bit. Because I think they were out in the rain. It rained a lot yesterday, and I think there's somebody at Walmart that waters them out every day. So this one's also a magnet one. And there it is. How cute are those, guys? Those are so cool. Yep. And then there's one more, and that's it. Hold on. There's this one. I'm hoping that this one's good, that her roots are really good. She's got some weird color going on, like a little bit of pink on her little specks. We'll see. And there she goes. So these were like $6, guys. Originally, like $6, and I got them for $1.50. That is totally worth it. So I hope you guys get a chance to check out your clearance at the garden center at Walmart and see what you can find, and then let me know if you do that and see what you find, guys. And that's it. So stay tuned for the video of the new pot that I'm going to try to make, and I'll update you guys in the future about these plants. Okay, thank you so much for watching. Have a great day.